you can use the ChatGPT as your personal secretary. For example, ask me to write something. So now I'm editing one of my Udemy course. The previous write-up is a bit messy. Not messy, just by point. So now I ask ChatGPT to write this one. Okay. I paste here already. So help me to write. Then you to write. To edit, to write, or edit. Copy paste the whole paragraph here, then ask ChatGPT and paste here. From points, maybe they will become the nice paragraph. Yeah, they're changing my points into the paragraph. Nice. That's so I just give the key ideas, they write up for me. That's what the secretary can do for you. Now I have the free and efficient personal secretary. Let's try another one. Suggest ideas. For example, suggest ideas about self-publishing and content marketing. Okay, suggest this one. Content marketing, social medias, presence, create control blogs, codes, graph, influencers, advertising, social media platform, persistent, consistent, and creative in your own approach. Okay, let me ask how to do online marketing. Online is quite general topic. Marketing. Online marketing or digital marketing. Definition of goals, target audience, marketing strategy, create the contents. The first two, define your goals, and if your target audience is on the every platform of the marketing, the Google or Facebook marketing, everything they will ask you. First one, define your goal. Define your goal, what you want to achieve, and who is the audience, the age, by location. Okay, track manner. Yes. Continue optimize your strategy. Yeah. Good suggestions. Very general, but good ideas. Good write up.